Okay, we're going to attempt to light the $50 grand finale firework.
You're going to have to give me your video. Send it
Okay.
to me because my video.
Let's see how long this sucker goes, because for 50 bucks, it better at least...
You need a pump to light it with?
He used a cigarette. There it goes. There it goes. I'd be mad if it's a dud. Got some cool little colors at the beginning. Has tubes all around it, so you'll watch it burn all. There we go. I like the crackling pops.
Yeah, I know.
And just hope all the connecting fuse is working too, because it has to go from one tube to another. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Dang wind though. Damn! Holy crap! Holy shit! That scared the piss out of me. That scared the shit out of me. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Damn. Holy shit. Even they're clapping. That was something else.
Good. That was good.